Hello students, in this video we will discuss a very important question, the difference between the parliamentary form of government and the presidential form of government. It is a very important question for class 9 social science SEVA. Therefore, if you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes, like the video and comment. If you have any question regarding social science and English, please write it in the comment box. I will try to satisfy you. Then come to the question. The question is, discuss the differences between the parliamentary form of government and the presidential form of government. Parliamentary form of in the parliamentary form of government there are two heads. Two heads means one is the prime minister and another is the president. Prime minister is called the executive head or administrative head or the real head of the state, but the president is called the nominal head and head of the state. He is not the administrative head of the state. In the presidential form of government, only one person is both the head of the state and the head of the administration. This is one difference. Only president is there in the presidential form of government, and he is both the head of the state and head of the administration. But here in parliamentary form of government, prime minister and president, two heads are there. Prime minister is the executive head and president is the head of the state. Next difference is that in parliamentary form of government, the members of the council of ministers are also the members of the legislature. But here in the presidential form of government, the members of the council of minister are not the members of the legislature. This is the difference. It means uh, in parliamentary form of government, the MLAs and MP only can become the ministers. But in presidential form of government, even it is not necessary for the person to be elected as a member of as the member of legislature. He can be selected by the president to become a minister. And next difference, in the parliamentary form of government, the ministers you see the members of the council of ministers are called ministers. But in the presidential form of government, the members of the council of ministers are called secretaries, just as defense secretary, educational secretary, like that. But we have defense minister, education minister, industry minister, like that. Next difference is that in the parliamentary form of government, the members of the council of ministers are the colleagues of the prime minister. But in presidential form of government, they are not the colleagues of the president, they are the employees of the president. So the members of the council of minister in parliamentary form of government enjoy equal status, but the members of the council of minister in presidential form of government, they are the employees, they do not enjoy the equal status with the president. Next difference is that in parliamentary form of government, the members of the council of minister can participate in the activities and functioning of the legislature, but the members of the council of minister in presidential form of government, they cannot enjoy they cannot participate in the functioning of the legislature. Next difference is that the in the parliamentary form of government, the tenure of the council of minister is not fixed. It may be removed by passing no confidence motion by the legislature any time if needed. But in presidential form of government, the tenure of the president is fixed. He cannot be removed by the legislature. If the legislature wants to remove him, one impeachment motion is um, to be brought to the house, and this process of bringing impeachment motion is very complicated. Therefore he cannot be you see the president can fulfill his complete his term. Before the completion of the term, he cannot be removed. Next difference is that you see in the presidential form of parliamentary form of government, you see there is close relationship between the executive and the legislature, but such relationship is not there in the presidential form of government. Then these are some differences between the parliamentary form of government and the presidential form of government. I think this answer you will understand it, and you will try to read it and remember it for the examination. One more difference is there. Uh, uh, the In the parliamentary form of government, the council of minister is collectively responsible to the legislature, but in the presidential form of government, the you see president is not responsible to the legislature. This is one more difference. Thank you. I think you will learn it, you will prepare it. And one more question is there, the difference between unitary government and in unitary form of government and federal form of government. Answer to this question will be given in next video. Thank you. Till then, sorry, till then you prepare this answer